Hello. In this video, we will see how can we approve or reject bookings via automation. So, after a new booking is created, click on Add Automation app, select CRM, and select Send Template Message. Select Channel from the drop-down, select your template. So, this is the template that I am using. I am sending all the booking details along with two buttons, Approve or Reject. Enter WhatsApp number of the team member manually here and map all the variables. Under button payload, if the user clicks on approve, add a payload as approve underscore booking ID and WhatsApp number. So this will be Vaba. Same for reject. Click on save. Save this workflow. Now create another bot flow with hot keywords. Here the condition will be incoming message is approve appointment or is reject appointment. Save this. Now for the first step, click on Add Automation app. Here search text formatter. Select split text. Select authentication. Now my text will be last button payload. Separator will be underscore and segment index will be all. So manually enter a value here first. Run and save this. Again change this to last button payload and save this block. In the next step, add a basic router. Here set up filter as approve. So my condition will be if the first part of split array is approve. Select native calendar, update booking, map your booking ID, and booking status will be approved. Save this. After this, add automation app, CRM, and send text message. Select channel from the drop down. You can map the WhatsApp number. So again, this is in the split array. Enter message. For example, your appointment for booking date and time is approved. Similarly, add another string to the router. Here my filter will be reject. So if the first part of the split array is reject, add a native calendar block, update booking, map booking ID, and booking status will be rejected here. Save this. Again, in the next step, we can add a send text message block for the user. Save this workflow and enable it. Now here we can see that a new booking is created. And the booking status here is pending. So a team member has received a message to either approve or reject appointment. If I have selected approve, a message is sent to the user and the booking status is updated here. Thank you.